Hello and welcome to SVADHYAYA. Let's learn. This video is about proper nouns and common nouns, explained with a lot of examples. What are common nouns? Common nouns are the generic names of people, places, and things. A common noun is not capitalized unless it is the first word in a sentence. Some examples are doctor, country, dog, season, sports, toy, movie, and many more. What are proper nouns? Proper nouns are the specific names of people, places, and things. Proper nouns should always be capitalized. Let's look at a few examples. Chocolate is a common noun, whereas Snickers is the name of a specific chocolate. Similarly, Audi is a car. English is a language. Harry Potter is a movie. The Scarlet Letter is a book. Dr. Morgan is the name of a professor. How to identify a common noun and a proper noun in a sentence? Let's read the sentence first. My family enjoyed their trip to Yellowstone National Park. First, identify the nouns in the sentence and then decide whether it is a common or a proper noun. Here, family is a noun and Yellowstone National Park is a noun. Yellowstone National Park is capitalized because it's the name of a specific place. Hence, it is a proper noun. And family is a common noun. We stayed in a hotel near Marina Beach. Hotel is a common noun and Marina Beach is capitalized and is the name of a specific place. Hence, it's a proper noun. The child was weeping in the class. Except for the first word, which is an article, nothing is capitalized in this sentence. Hence, no proper nouns. But there are common nouns here. Child and class. I attended Bluebells Elementary School when I was young. Clearly, Bluebells Elementary School is capitalized and is the specific name. Hence, it's a proper noun. There are no more nouns in the sentence. It was Sunday, so we went to the market to buy some clothes. Sunday is a proper noun. Market and clothes are common nouns. Let's try in a different way. Identify and capitalize the proper nouns in the sentence. Now this one is easy. Egypt is in Africa. Egypt and Africa are the names of places, hence are proper nouns and should be capitalized. Have you ever been to the Parkson Mall? Parkson Mall is the name of a specific mall. Hence, it should be capitalized. Cindy and George are siblings. Cindy and George are names of people. Hence, they should be capitalized. I hope you understood what are proper nouns and common nouns, and now you will be able to identify common nouns and proper nouns in a sentence very easily. If you like this video, subscribe, like and share SVADHYAYA. Let's learn. Thank you.